Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer communication with Intercom detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current customer communication strategies. Identify areas where customers may be struggling to reach you. Sign up for an Intercom account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the Intercom dashboard. Explore the various features available, focusing on messaging tools. Set up your team in Intercom to ensure everyone can communicate effectively. Customize your company profile, adding your logo and branding. Create targeted message campaigns based on customer behavior. Utilize Intercom's chatbots to handle frequently asked questions. Design a welcome message for new customers visiting your site. Set up an inbox for managing conversations with customers seamlessly. Integrate Intercom with your existing tools to enhance workflow. Monitor customer interactions through the conversation dashboard. Analyze engagement metrics to understand communication effectiveness. Use customer feedback to refine your messaging strategies. Train your team on using Intercom to ensure consistent and quality communication. Stay proactive in reaching out to users who may need assistance. Regularly update your FAQ and support resources within Intercom. Leverage Intercom's A/B testing features to optimize messaging. Share customer success stories to build trust and engagement. Encourage direct feedback from customers on their communication experiences. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather over time. Emphasize the importance of timely responses to customer inquiries. Utilize targeted surveys to gain deeper insights into customer needs. Implement a follow-up process for unresolved issues or inquiries. Celebrate milestones and achievements with your customer base through Intercom. Continuously refine your communication approach to adapt to changing customer preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.